Hey there, I'm Yussi Weisz, and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking, and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Kovet Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, c'est Shabbos. Hey, today, I'll be preparing a caramelized leek and potato soup, fleischig. Marrow bones, flanken, a real yummy, delicious, filling soup. All right, let's get started. First up, I take my leeks, cut them in half, and give them a good rinse. Leeks can be sneaky with all the dirt hiding in the layers. Once they're nice and clean, I heat up some Tuscanini light olive oil over medium-low heat. While that's warming up, I slice the leeks. Here's a tip, use a good knife. Trust me, it'll make this recipe a whole lot easier. I toss my thinly sliced leeks into the pot with a pinch of salt from my small, fancy orange pot. The one I only use on cooking shows, of course. I stir them around occasionally. It'll take about 20 to 25 minutes for them to get soft and golden brown. The goal here is to caramelize those leeks, bringing out that natural sweetnesses. Definitely worth the wait, I promise. Once the leeks have reached that golden goodness, I dice up a Spanish onion and I throw it in, and of course, I'm stirring. Then I grab my handy garlic chopper from the garlic cloves. It's so much quicker than chopping by hand, and let's be real, we're saving time here, right? I add the garlic to the pot and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until the onions are soft and the kitchen smells incredible. Now it's potato time. I dice up a good amount. Yes, it's a lot, but hey, that makes a good potato leek soup. Lots of potatoes and lots of leek. I add them to the pot. I give everything a good stir. I want these ingredients to get to know each other. Let them be friends, you know what I'm saying? After a quick cleanup, I pour in half of the chicken stock to give the potato something to cook in. Then I season it with salt, white pepper, and of course, a gezinta mish. I add a sprig of thyme in a mesh bag. Then I add some bay leaves. Now here's a little chef trick. Make a small incision in the bay leaves to release even more flavor and aroma. Then I cover the pot, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 35 minutes, giving the potatoes time to get soft and tender, soaking up all the flavor. Once they're tender, I remove the mesh bag, and now it's time to blend. So I grab my immersion blender, puree the soup until it's smooth and creamy. With the soup now nice and smooth, I add some marrow bones and flanken, so it gives it nice depth and flavor. I pour the rest of the chicken stock in, add a little water to fill the pot, and yes, I give it another good stir. Now this soup likes attention. Keep on mishing it. You want to stir this a lot, you want to get all those flavors together. I put the pot back at a medium-low flame. I give it one last good mish and let it simmer for another 1 to 2 hours. And there you have it, a warm, delicious caramelized leek and potato soup ready to serve. In my case, I'm serving it to my very special guest, my mother, the one and only Bobbi Weisz.
Okay, everybody, so here we are. I brought my mother. Actually, my mother surprised me and she came to my house this time.
That's right.
Because up until now, I used to make a mess in her house.
That's right.
I made enough messes in my mother's house the last 45 years. Finished. This time it's in my house. I grew up. I moved out of my mother's house. And I'm making my shows in my own house. If Bobbi Weisz is here, she's coming on set.
And she's tasting.
She's tasting, and I'll send her home with some.
You better.
Yeah, better. Look what I made today. I made a fleischige, caramelized leek potato soup.
It's yum. Okay.
Okay, and I blended it. Oh, it's so good. But my bisschen lewees, though, because I moved out of the house, and I'm on my own.
Right.
We're gonna have a little wine.
Okay. Of course, you took the best one, right?
I got the Baron Herzog, Pinot Grigio.
That's right.
Okay. Zoe, mach l'chaim, mommy.
Okay. Kedem knows what to do, right?
Ma, yeah. Baron Herzog. What's good? Kedem is grape juice. These are Baron Herzog. Okay, fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna shut the fire. And let's get a ladle. Ma, ik hoop dat het ingerig wel.
Yes.
Gebogen aan uit een maagpijn, mommy.
Okay, say what it's an English maagpijn.
English maagpijn is a marrow bone.
Marrow bone, that's right.
Yeah. I grew up I still speak to my mother and you do.
And the magpies used to be free. They're not free anymore.
Remember they used to be free?
Yeah.
You know what a pack of markbijn cost these days?
Yes. That's right.
$10 for
I know.
kleine bijen.
That's right.
Zeker.
But I'm sure it's worth to put it in the soup, right?
Oh, je met dat garlic bread. Man, I really want to make garlic bread.
Okay, I can take it.
And I forgot.
All right.
Oh, you did forget.
Must be very hot, though.
That's good. 1 second. I'm gonna let it cool.
That's right.
I'm not sharing.
Okay, you're not sure you want to eat the whole thing?
I want to eat my own.
Okay.
Sure. Mommy, get back here. So, I know you would eat it right now, but I have to make it fancy.
Right. And it smells delicious.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of parsley. So we'll go with this lazoi.
Oh, you should have told me to bring it because we grow it in our
You have parsley on your porch.
porch, right?
Okay. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley in mine, so it looks nice.
And the other thing is thyme. What's the other thing?
That's just a little bit of like
Fancy?
pea shoots.
Oh, pea shoots. Okay.
Yeah. I never grew up. You never made pea shoots.
No, it's a Tazadi does.
Heidi makes pea shoots. Yeah. But Mao, look,
Yeah.
you never
Yeah,
had.
no, I
like
don't. This I don't have. No.
You gotta go like this.
Yeah, you see.
Right on top.
When I open up a fancy restaurant, I will do that.
No, don't open the rest.
No, I'm not. Don't worry.
Please.
I just want to eat at a fancy restaurant.
Oh, okay.
And I only want someone else to take me out. I'm not paying for it.
You're not paying for it. Ma, this is lokshen, because soup without lokshen is not soup, right?
Right.
I mean, it is, but I just made that up. Mini bow ties. Okay, I'm not done yet now. Look, I got these veggie coating. These are like terra chips. And it's ground terra chips for
that
breading.
looks nice.
This makes a nice little crunch.
Oh, wow.
It's gluten free also, and it tastes yummy. Oh my god!
Yeah,
It makes such a good crunch.
Yeah.
And it's yum.
I don't even know about this.
Well, I'll send you home the leftovers. Okay. Now to make it stamazoi fancy, because you like to go to fancy restaurants, right?
I've never been. Oh, yeah, in Oxford, yeah.
You went to Oxnard, not
Oxnard,
Oxford. Oxford is insurance, mommy.
No, Oxford is
The senior citizens.
No, Oxford is in England, but
Oxford is in England, and yeah.
Right.
You went to Oxnard.
Yeah,
Oxnard, California, Tierra Sur. Best restaurant I've ever been to.
Yeah, the Kedder one.
Yeah, that one. It's Herzog now, but
Yeah, Herzog, right? Delicious. That's only
you grew up, it was kind of
only fancy
okay,
one.
fine. A little olive oil. Okay, Ma, before you taste, you have to open your taste buds.
Okay, another one.
Opening your taste buds is an olive.
Okay.
I'm excited. First of all, because I know the soup is good. Second of all, my mother's going to give me a compliment whether it's good or not, because
That's not true. Only if it's good.
if it's good. What je gaat erin gooien? Huh? Nee.
Maar die gaat er gewoon bij de mazijn.
Oh, bijna met de mazones. Wow.
Delicious.
Ooh, so good.
Even better than Oxnard. When something is good, we say better than Oxnard. This is better than Oxnard.
This is better than Oxnard.
Yes.
Ma, you like the crunch? I love the crunch.
Let me try the crunch. I didn't try the crunch.
Not a lot of slurp on camera, right?
You're right.
No, right. No slurping on camera.
No crunch anymore. It got hot. No more crunch.
No more crunch? Ma, you're not supposed to say that. Wow.
It's good.
That's good, right?
This is a very sophisticated taste.
Sophisticated soup. Okay, everybody, until next time. Bobbi Weisz's kitchen, clean. My kitchen, dirty.
No, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Smelling delicious too.
Great stuff. Thank you for watching, and until next time, my name is Yussi Weisz. This is Bobbi Weisz.
Bobbi Weisz, when they went to Florida, the airport, they said, Bobbi Weisz. I didn't even know who it was.
Really? People know who you are?
Yeah, from this. I'm finishing this.
You should finish
Yeah,
it.
but I can't take it out yet.
Cut.
Great job.
No, beauty shot.
It was good.
But that's still
The soup is delicious. After you have to finish it.